Hi everybody, welcome to, I think this is now COVIDeo number 3, right? Yes. So you know from 1 and 2 how to set up your canvas and then how to build out modules. We, in the last video, created a video like on the fly in a video, in a module. So we were in a module, we were building out a module, and we made a video right inside that module. I want to show you that sometimes you'll want to make a video, but you won't know where you want to put it yet. So this is where Studio is helpful. So in the green navigation bar on the side, there's this thing called Studio. And here is where you can just make videos and then let them just sit in Studio until you want to use them and you know where they're going to go in what module. I'll just show you how to do that. Up here in the top, there's a record button. You click record and then choose web camera. Here I am. You hit start. 3, 2, 1. All right, this is a video that I want to make. I don't know where I'm going to put it yet, so I'm just making it here, and then when I find a home for it, I'll put it where it belongs. Okay, so you can play it to make sure that it. All right, this is a video that I want to make. Okay, the audio works, the sound works. I can put in here test for making videos, save it, and you'll see here it is. It's processing. Okay. Now, let's go over to the course. Oh, and by the way, when you're in Studio, you're no longer, so there is one studio for your entire canvas, all right? There's not a studio for your, FAW class, and then a different studio for your FCI class, and a different studio for your LVA class. Studio is canvas wide. So when you make a video, it can go into any course. So for example, let's go to dashboard. Let's go back to where we have been playing around my Honor Seminar 2 class. So we go down to that Civilization as Discontents video thingy, and we could add that video I just made. So go over here, plus, assignment. Notice there's no video option, right? You do this under page, all right? You do it under page. You do new page. I know this sounds like it's a video, not a page, but videos can live on pages. So this is adding video to page. Okay, and I'm going to indent this twice now. Why not? Or maybe I'll come back out because it's a new thing. All right, so add it. There it is. Notice again, remember, it's not published yet because this module has already been published. Anything new added to it is not. So add the publication button there. Go into the page to edit it. Add it up in the corner. See the 3 little ding, edit. Go to that V next to YouTube, Studio, and now you'll see your options. So here it was, test of using Studio directly, right? If you select it, scroll down, and add it. And there it is, it's added. Now, there it is, see, it's added. And then of course you have to save. It's not automatic, right? So save. And now we go back to home and we go down to this Civilization as Discontents week 7. You'll see that adding video to page. Click on it and there it is. Boom, yay. Perfect. Just to show you that Studio applies to your entire canvas, let's go to another course, right? So I'm going to go back to dashboard. I'm going to just drop into my Rhetoric 1 class. And I'm just going to, I don't know, make a module here on the fly quickly. Why not? So make a module, name it, COVIDeo testing, add that. It's at the bottom. This doesn't matter because the students can't see it. It's not published, right? Okay, and again, to recap our previous videos, you do plus. You plus, there you go. You do page, right? New page. Same video. I don't know, just giving it some stupid name. And then you want to edit that. So you click into it and you hit edit on the side. Hit the V button, studio, and everything will be, so notice all my videos are here, canvas wide. So I know that we made the video, here's that civilization as discontents video. We made that in my Honor Seminar 2 class, and we did it in a module that I was creating for that class. But when Canvas saved it, it put it in my canvas-wide studio tab on the left-hand side of the screen. So now I'm in a completely different course. I'm in my Rhetoric 1 class, and I have access to all the videos that I've made for all my classes. Does that make sense? I'm going to cancel this because I don't really want to add this here. Yes, I have to accept my cancel. It's always odd to accept a cancel. Okay, I shouldn't have saved that. Anyway, doesn't matter. Go back to home. I'm still in my Rhetoric class. I'm just going to kill this because I don't want it. I'm going to delete it. Bye-bye. It's gone. Okay. Point being, you can make videos directly in Studio. Maybe it's welcome to the spring semester, right? And you're just going to do, I'm John Hodge, I've been at Babson for 20 years, I teach these classes, blah, blah, blah. It could just be a generic introduction that you could then load into any of your courses, right? So that's when you make videos in Studio and you don't know where they're really going to go yet, or you want them to go to many different places, right? As you saw in the previous video, COVIdeo 2, I think, right? You can make a video right within a module instantaneously. Go back and watch that video if you want to see. It's almost the exact same thing. But you can make it in Studio. You can make it in module on a page. Same result. They all, no matter where you generate the video, they all end up in Studio at the end of the day. Good? All right. Stop this video on videos. I'm going to end the video.